In this video, we'll guide you through assembling your new Forest Master FM4DDE compact electric wood chipper. The box includes the following parts: the motor and drum, feed hopper, base, discharge chute, axle, wheels, hardware, and product manual. Step 1. Assemble the base. Turn the base over and insert the axle into the square tubing. Slide a 16mm flat washer onto the axle, followed by the wheel and then a second washer. Secure the wheel with a split pin. Insert the pin through the holes on the axle end. Bend the split pin's long end with pliers to secure it to the axle. Repeat on the other side. Place the dome caps onto each axle end and secure them by gently tapping them with a rubber mallet. After securing the caps, you can remove the protective film. Base assembly complete. Step 2. Attach the motor to the base. Carefully place the motor on top of the base. Make sure that the motor mounting holes align with the base holes. Take off the lock nut and washer from one of the M8x25 motor fix bolts, leaving one washer on. Insert the bolt with the washer attached through the aligned holes from underneath the base. Then, add the other washer and lock nut from the top. Repeat the process for the other 3 motor fix bolts. Tighten the bolts using two 13mm spanners. Step 3. Attach the feed hopper. Position the feed hopper on the drum housing. Make sure the flange of the hopper sits beneath the drum housing bolt. Prepare the hopper bolt. Slide on its designated spring washer followed by the thicker M6 flat washer. Screw the hopper bolt with washers into the thread of the drum housing and tighten with a 10mm spanner. Use only the provided M6x29 hopper bolt. The bolt length is critical to the running of the machine. Using a bolt that is too long or skipping the washers can damage the micro switch, preventing the chipper from starting. Additionally, using a bolt that is too short will not complete the emergency stop circuit, also preventing the chipper from starting. Step 4. Attach the discharge chute. Insert the 2 M3x60 discharge chute safety bolts into the holes at the end of the discharge chute and secure them with the M3 nuts. Use a 5.5mm socket and Phillips screwdriver to tighten the discharge chute safety bolts. Position the discharge chute on the drum housing. Make sure the flange of the chute sits behind the drum housing bolt. Prepare the M6x12 discharge chute bolts. For each bolt, slide on an M6 spring washer followed by one of the thinner M6 flat washers. Make sure the holes of the discharge chute line up with those on the drum housing. Then, thread in the bolts and washers and tighten them with a 10mm spanner. Your Forest Master FM4DDE is now fully assembled. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.